Hi, welcome to my channel where I'll be posting content related to food and products. If you're new here, hey, follow my other channel Janvika Academy to know more about me. Today, I'm chopping a cucumber for a Karnataka salad called Kosambari. In Tamil, it's called Kosamali. A protein-rich salad made from soaked or cooked lentils, usually yellow split moong dal. Veggies like cucumber, carrot with coconut grated are tempered with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chili. Cooked peanuts or sweet corn and pomegranate seeds are also used in combo, making this a very refreshing salad cum side. Typically served as part of a festive meal or just a healthy everyday snack. I actually love it and can eat the whole bowl. Stay tuned for the next videos on Chopping with Me series. Until then, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.